welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine from More to Her, and today, as you can see, I'm not in my usual place, which is the dining room. I am in my guest bathroom sitting on the floor. I thought it would be cool to be in here since we are doing a mini makeover to my guest restroom, but as you can see, my forehead's kind of chopped off, the angle is not like quite centered. But whatever, we're just gonna do it in here just to be different and just because this is where we're gonna work. So yes, I am going to do a mini makeover of this restroom on a budget as per usual. You guys who watch my videos or know me personally know that I love me a bargain. So I typically buy my decor for my house off of like Amazon, Dollar Tree, make my own little crafts, just whatever. You'll see what I purchased for this restroom. I don't know if you guys remember or you've seen my past videos, but my walls used to be beige, so that was part of the change in decoration. I bought this light gray color. I actually wanted everything white and black. I don't know if you guys follow Let's Do Makeup, but her whole house is white and black, and I thought it was the coolest thing ever. So a year ago when we were buying paint, that was the original thing that I wanted to go for. But my husband thought it would look kind of hospital-y or whatever, so he wasn't into it, so we kind of just decided on doing gray. I've always wanted to do gray walls since the whole trend came out like 8-10 years ago. I don't even know how long it's been. No, not that long, like 7 years ago, 5 years ago. I don't know. I'm blabbing on. That's not important. The important thing is that it's a brand new wall color. And so you're going to go ahead and see what this restroom looked like before, so I'll put an image in. I remember it being the little flower curtains. My decor in my house was more of a glam farmhouse look. I now want to go for a minimalist modern look. So I painted this about a year ago to this light gray color, and I'm finally like decorating things slowly. I don't know why it took a whole year, but whatever. So yeah, so we're gonna start off by showing you where I got everything. But before I go ahead and do that, if you enjoy my content, enjoy watching me. I know I don't put too many videos back to back. I did pretty good when we first got into quarantine on doing videos, but I've been slacking. But either way, I'm always gonna post here and there. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below to let me know that you watched this video. And don't forget to hit the like button to share some support. Thank you. Okay, so my first purchase was from Dollar Tree, and this is actually, I've already crafted with these frames, so you're gonna see what the outcome of that was. I just put it in the bag. I was gonna say in the tree. I just put it in the bag just for reference, that's where I got it from. But I bought these frames from Dollar Tree, as you can see here. One says, "Please stay seated." I thought it was funny for the to put above the toilet. And then this one says, "You never know what you have until it's gone. Toilet paper for infants," which is crazy because we are now in COVID and toilet paper was really gone, guys. Like, y'all know the story. I'm not about to vent about it, but I printed this out over a year ago to put up in this bathroom, and I'm just now putting it up. I put it up before the video, but I'm gonna put it up for the purpose of the video again. But yeah, so I put it up like a month ago, but yeah. All right, and then the next thing I got was from Five Below. I love that store. And I bought this about 2 weeks ago. And look how cute. It's a little fake plant. And this was $5. Okay, let me show you the next thing. I bought a towel holder. I'm gonna tell you why I bought a towel holder, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Originally, I wanted the more modern one. There is a very cute modern one that's literally like just like a, I don't even know how to explain it. It's literally like a kind of like stick. Not a stick, but it's like a metal stick. I don't even know. It's like a metal stick that just hangs there. This is more of the old-fashioned looking one, but it's silver and it matches the decor, and it was cheaper. Those modern ones are like $18, and I was like, no honey, we ain't doing that. We gonna buy the original old I forgot how much this was, but I bought this on Amazon, so you'll be able to see once I put the little image here down below. All right, and then I bought this towel hanger for the actual bath towels, and you'll see where I'm gonna put this up. It's just sleek, modern, silver, matches what we already have going on. And, oh, this is so cute. I forgot I had this. This I bought off of Hobby Lobby. And this is a metal, I'm sorry for all the noise if it sounds crazy. A metal lettering decor. This was $4.99, but I got it off of the 50% discount area, so yeah. I purposely bought this because a lot of people have their towel hangers with toallas de like, yo, I can't speak. I literally can't speak. I don't know why I'm doing this video right now because I can't talk and I can't think. Jesus. Okay, what I was gonna say is a lot of people put their towels as decoration, their hand towels, and no one really knows which towels to use to dry their hands. And that's kind of annoying to me. Like, I want you to have a towel to dry your hand with. So I'm gonna make sure that I have this little sign above it that says dry to let you know this is not a decoration towel. You can dry your hands and I'll be fine with it. I'm so extra. Why am I so extra? Okay, and then, oh, I bought a faucet, and I'll show you a picture down below and how much it costs, of off of Amazon. And then, so you can see Walmart was my next purchase. And I bought, this is the main stage shower curtain that I bought. And this was, this was $5. $5. Shower curtains are like $10 or more. The really cute ones are like $12 or more dollars. But I'm just like, I mean, I can get one for $5, so why not? And it's really good. It's one of those plastic ones, and it's kind of opaque. So if you can see the design there, it has black, gray, and white. So all the colors that I just love. And then a clear shower liner. This is such a trendy thing that's going on right now. It is a beaded garland. So I purchased the materials to make this myself just because I want to start crafting again and possibly having like an Etsy shop. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. Originally, again, I wanted like more modern things for the restroom, but you'll see that I still have like beige towels on the floor. So I do like to, you know, just do what I need to do. If I can't have everything modern, then I can't have everything modern because it wouldn't look right in my opinion to have like beige tiles and then everything black and white and not tie anything else in with the towels or with the tiles. But yeah, I made this myself and I actually love it. Even though I'm not too much into the bohemian decor for myself, I thought, why not? It's popping right now, so let's just go ahead and add it since my tiles are beige. And also because this right here has like the little beige rocks, so I thought, yeah, why not? We'll just add it as a little accent color. So that comes with this as well. I had a little idea to put towels in here, like the bath towels, and wanted to buy, I forgot what this is called, like wickered or, so I found this off of Target for $16.99. Yeah, that is where I got everything, and hopefully you guys are still watching and didn't stop because I just talk a lot. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the decor. Okay, so this is what the sink looks like now. Old-fashioned, what do you call that? Faucet. This is what the new one looks like. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention that I got this basket at the Dollar Tree for $1, and don't mind me recording this way. My camera roll ran out of space, so I am using Snapchat. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, share, whatever your little heart desires. Peace.